Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. And today I have a cold. That is why my voice is so weird, if you are wondering. No, just kidding. My voice is fine. So today, welcome back to another Adopt Me video. Yay, yay, yay. And as you can see, I'm the ice cream man. Yay, yay, yay. Okay, I really gotta stop that. But anyways, I have got the new ice cream truck that Adopt Me has just released. And yeah, I'm probably going to do a video on that soon. But let's go sell some ice creams. Let's see if anybody will buy it for $20. That's the limit of like the price. Let's see if anybody will buy it for $20. I don't think they will. But anyways, that's finished. Okay, now let's go and sell some ice cream, boys. Ignore that. I didn't say that. Yeah, well, anyway, let's go sell some ice cream, like I've said. And get some money. I like free money. Free money is good. Free money. Hello there, would you like an ice cream? Hello there. I can't drive. Why can't I drive? I'm running over somebody. I'm supposed to be nice. I'm supposed to make kids happy, not run over them and make them pancakes instead. Aren't I supposed to make ice cream, not pancakes? Or kids into pancakes? I'm supposed to give them ice cream, not make them into a pancake. Isn't that? Yeah, that's definitely brutal. Hello, person. How are you today? Would you like some ice cream? Come on, eat it up, eat it up, eat it up. It has poison in it. No, just kidding. Just kidding. No, I don't want to be your friend. Sorry about that. I am unsocial. No, antisocial. Unsocial. Doot, 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 doot. Come get your ice cream. Come get your ice cream. You? That's not me. That's Lily May. I'm Hot Cookie Creams. That's not me. Excuse you. Oh, hello. Oh. Oh, ride. Fly. I like it. Yummy. No. You just want my ice cream truck. I can sell you ice creams. You're not getting it for free because it's Robux. It's 350 Robux. It's expensive. I'm not giving it to you. No way. I'll play the music for you. No. Nuh-uh. Sorry. There's not much happening. Okay, guys, then. I'm gonna end the video off here. This didn't really work. Oh, nobody likes ice cream. Aw, that makes me sad. Because I'm an ice cream man. Aw. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye. Aw.